Here we are, our third full day in Paris, and it is June 1st, 2025. We're on our way to a breakfast cafe called
Happy Cafe.
Happy Cafe. C'est bon? And there we have it. Just like that, we're at the Happy Cafe for breakfast. Don't worry, be happy. And here we are, happy at the Happy. And here's the Happy Cafe just up from the Louvre. We're happy that we're at Happy. And there's Betty. Bonjour, madame. And here we are, yet another fabulous food flyover breakfast. 2 cappuccino and a...
This is a crepe with egg and tomato inside. Some cheese too.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
In fact, I would like to say you something. This country needs a best president after a long time. What happened? This Democrat, what they did? They invade the country. I'm going to clean. The best president. The best.
What a great time at the Happy Cafe.
Yes, good name for it.
That guy behind the counter,
Hilarious.
what a riot. He was a total character. He spoke many different languages and was interacting with everybody in their own language. The first English bookshop established on the continent. Oh, this is Angelina. Ooh. No wonder there's a line. Oh, pork for dinner again.
Such a beautiful day. I thought I'd walk you straight down.
C'est bien revu, c'est annulé ce film.
No, vabbè.
So they had riots last night because of the soccer game, and so this looks like where they set fire last night.
In France, crowds have gone on the rampage after football team Paris Saint-Germain won the Champions League final. Fan revelry turned into violent riots, leaving at least 2 people dead and a police officer in a coma.
Property was damaged amid the wild celebrations. Police said that at least 200 cars were torched, including close to Paris Saint-Germain's Parc des Princes stadium, and that almost 600 were arrested.
Meanwhile,
So the YouTube video we saw of the Trocadero here is the viewpoint. It sounded like it was a secret. I think the secret has gotten out. Must be another soccer game celebration. It looks like the whole city police force is on their way somewhere. Unbelievable. So here we are at a Lebanese restaurant that we ran across and just dropped in, called the Nora Masout. And if that pronunciation is correct, we're getting a refreshments and hummus.
C'est quoi en plat du jour là? C'est gloufi? Oui, le riz.
And here it is, the Nora. Unbelievable hummus. And the reason why the streets are so deserted is because the police have it all shut down apparently because of the continuing celebrations that the waiter chuckled at each time. They're having a parade.
I would say it's a parade of police.
Et là, on passe en place. Allez,
I don't know if this is a celebration or a protest. Well, looks like we're going to have to go all the way down to the Seine before we can hang a left. Seems like we're the only ones going this way. Oh my God, look, throngs. I think there's going to be a massive riot tonight. Look at that. We finally got to turn left, otherwise known as north. It'll be interesting to see how many miles we walk today. So this is the first left north, otherwise known as, we've been able to take for quite a while. Everything is gridlock, getting ready for the celebration. So here we are approaching the Parthenon. Little quieter up here in this neighborhood. On our way to the Galeries Lafayette.
Turn left onto Boulevard Haussmann.
Now you found it.
This is your view.
Oh, were you up here before?